Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to continue our DVWA series, particularly Insecure CAPTCHA at medium security level. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now, let's get into it. First of all, we need to set the level to medium. Submit. And then we need to navigate to Insecure CAPTCHA module. To find a way to bypass CAPTCHA verification, the most important tool is Burp Suite or proxy in general. So how to do? And we need to set or turn the plugin or Foxy proxy to Burp Suite. Okay, so all traffic sent from the browser will go through this proxy. Although at this moment we do not launch the Burp Suite yet. Okay, and now then we can launch Burp Suite. Next. Click next, start Burp Suite. Just as I said in the previous level or previous video, bypassing CAPTCHA verification is very important skills when we try to automate some tasks like crawling website. Okay, so Burp Suite has started. We can make the Burp Suite larger. It's better. And now we do not need to enable the intercept option. I just want to capture all requests and responses between client or browser and the application. All right, let's go back to the browser. And we can put the password, new password, like a password 123 and password 123. And we need to, pass the CAPTCHA first. Otherwise, if we click the change button, we'll get an error. Yes, the CAPTCHA was incorrect because we didn't pass this stage. So how to do? We can select all images with cars. Yes. So this is the motorcycles, not a car, right? And this, verify, it's correct. And we can put new password. Password 123. Password 123. And then change. And we get the same message as we did for the low security level. So you pass the CAPTCHA, click the button below to confirm your changes. And we can click the button. Password changed. I think it's almost the same as the low security level. So now let's go to Burp Suite to see what was going on under the hood. And we can go to eJPT history. So this tab stores all requests and responses. Okay, so the first and step 1, password, change, response. But right now, no response, right? And then send a request to Google for CAPTCHA verification. Okay, and the next. So this is actually the first step. And the step 1, we need to submit the new password, confirmation password, and also response from the reCAPTCHA site. And then the change. So this is the same as the low security level, right? And now if we go to the next request, this time we discover something different. So besides the step 2 password, new password, confirmation password, also we get this one. So I think although this level is medium, we can easily bypass it without any difficulty. So I think we can assume we have already passed the step 2. Or, if we write the crawler program, we can submit this request without submit the capture information. Okay, we just insert or put additional key value pair, pass control. Okay, for example, I can change new password for 5. Oh, we can send the request to repeater module. And we can, for example, change the new password to 12345 and 45. You see, at this moment, we didn't try to pass the first step, or in other words, we do not need to pass through capture verification. Now you can see what will happen. You can see whether we can update or change password accordingly. Okay, let's send it. Let's scroll down. Yes, password changed. So now if we copy this password to see whether it can actually work, we can copy. Let's go back to the browser, log out, and we can put admin and log in. It does work, right? Fantastic. So it's not so complicated as we thought, like other modules of DVWA. Very easy to bypass. Okay, so we have already found vulnerabilities of medium secure level of CAPTCHA. Okay, with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. I'd like to see you next. Bye. Have a good day, please.